everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project, or welcome if it's your first time here. Today I'll be teaching you how to play the tune Flop-Eared Mule on the violin, so stay tuned. As always, if you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I do post videos just like this one every single week, so consider hitting that red subscribe button below and the notification bell as well, so that you don't miss when I upload a new video. Also, the timestamps of this video are listed in the description box below if you'd like to skip around, and you can always adjust the speed in your video settings. And one more thing, be sure to stick around to the end of each section of this tune so that you can play them along with me. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. Now, this tune is a bit of an interesting one because for the A section, we start in the key of G major, but then moving into the B section, we change keys to D major. So we do have a little key change there, just be aware of that going through. Make sure you're familiar with both the G major and D major finger patterns. And for this first phrase, we're starting on the E string with the low second finger G, and it goes like this. Alright, so there toward the end, we're just making our way down to the D string. And you'll notice there was quite a bit happening with the fourth finger in that first phrase. So we had our fourth finger B on the E string as well as our fourth finger E on the A string. So just be aware of that. We do have more fourth finger notes coming up in this tune. And here's our second phrase. So hopefully you caught those scale patterns that we had within that phrase, both ascending and descending scales. And this next phrase sounds similar to the first phrase. It's sort of a variation on the first phrase, so not the exact notes, but you'll notice that there's a similarity in the way that it sounds. Alright, again, making our way down to the D string there, ending on our first finger E. And for this next phrase, we're starting on an open D, and it goes like this. And that was all of the A section. Now the form of this tune is A-A-B-B, so if you were playing through the whole tune, you would go ahead and repeat that section. But for now, let's go ahead and play it together just to review some of the notes and rhythms that we went over. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so moving right along into this B section, we have more notes happening this time on the D and G strings. So just be aware of that. We're going to be starting on the D string on an F sharp, and within this section just moving around the lower range. Alright, so another descending scale pattern there. This time we went all the way down to a B natural on the G string. So really try to listen for scales or just notes in general moving in stepwise motion. That's really going to help you as you're trying to pick out these notes by ear. And for the next phrase, we're staying on the G string, this time coming down to our A. And this third phrase of the B section is exactly the same as the first phrase, so hopefully you recognize these notes. And finally, our last phrase sounds like this. So now that you've learned the whole tune, we're going to do the same thing that we did for the A section and we'll play this B section together. 1, 2, 3. Well, congratulations for learning all of Flop-Eared Mule with me today. I really hope you enjoyed that tune. Hopefully you caught those fourth fingers and that key change we had in the B section and are able to practice the things that maybe you need a little bit more work with. And now that you've learned the tune by ear, if you're interested in taking a look at the sheet music, it's available in my digital sheet music library, which is always linked in the description box of all of my videos, so be sure to check that out down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy practicing! If you've made it this far, you must have enjoyed the video, so why not check out this one next? Also, if you'd like exclusive content from the Tune Project and a more personalized experience, head over to Patreon and join our wonderful little fiddle community. Your support helps me to continue to grow as a creator and ensures that I'm able to continue to provide free educational content here on YouTube. Thank you!